Have you ever wondered to yourself what exactly happens to the money that you're depositing inside of your 401k, your 403b, your 457, all these different qualified money accounts, such as your traditional IRA as well? There's three different phases that happens that Christian is going to go through inside of this video. You're going to want to pay close attention, take some notes, share it with a friend, but it's going to be pretty good information. Enjoy.
Did you know your retirement account has 3 phases? The first phase is the contribution phase, where you contribute money either from every paycheck, monthly, quarterly, annually, or in one lump sum. The second phase is the accumulation phase. This is where your money grows, hopefully more than your total contribution. The third phase is the distribution phase. This is when you are retired and withdrawing your money. You want this phase to last as long as possible, hopefully the rest of your life. Studies have shown that the person who will live to the age of 120 years old has already been born. So it's extremely important that you have a retirement account that grows with the market but doesn't participate in any losses and has lifetime income. If this is something you want to learn more about, then contact our home office at 888-350-5396 or reach us at our website at tfawealthplanning.com. A good opportunity only becomes great when you act on it. So get with the person that sent you this video. Have a great day.
Powerful information, wasn't it? If you'd like to learn more about an indexed annuity, go ahead and click this button right here. If you'd like to learn more about the basics behind life insurance, go ahead and click the link right there. Enjoy the information.